Alright, so just a little bit of an update on the Z. As you can probably tell, there are a lacking amount of wires hanging right here, and that's a good thing. That means that got the new ignition in with the OEM key repinned to it, so now I can actually start at square one again and focus on the actual engine swap like I've been trying to. But sorry about the background noise, but I have new plastics coming. They didn't supremely break these, so I was able to get them back on just so it looks like a complete, column again. I still have to put that panel back over here, but I did get all the new wiring put up and everything. Also, luckily for this piece right here, which apparently it's really hard to get, they actually didn't break it, so that's awesome. I have that, and then I got the key right here, and key and ignition. So, well, he didn't have a driver's license. Yeah, factory key, works with the doors, works with the ignition. That's awesome. Now I gotta put that plastic piece back on once I get the new plastics to go in here, because there is some broken clips and whatnot on this factory plastic piece. Then I gotta, I'm gonna replace this first before putting that other piece back in. But yeah, it's really nice coming from that to that again. And then I do also have to put this piece back on, and it is slightly broken, but not completely broken, so I might be able to fix it. You see it's kind of cracked wrong there. Also, this piece right here needs to go back on, but it's also kind of broken, so I gotta probably fix this or source a new one. I'm pretty sure these two pieces go together. And this is like the illumination ring, so you can see where you're putting your key in. But that's minor. So this one is one of the wires that got replaced. And this is the new loom for the new ignition. But it's kind of funny because the old loom that I pulled up had like wire nuts and electrical tape and a whole bunch of crap. So it looks like the car might have already been stolen before. So it's nice that I'm just replacing it. I guess that's probably one good thing about the car's ignition getting broken and whatnot. That came out of it is I have good wiring in the car now, so that's cool. A couple more pieces of the old ignition and broken glass and shavings and whatnot, because I had to break this piece off to get the old ignition off. Here's the old one. This is what they did to it. Those are the screws that come off, and this is the steering wheel lock. But yeah, no, so that's cool, taken care of. Yeah, we'll get this panel piece put back on. I don't know if that's really broken or not, but I also need to fix this guy, which I think is just a couple broken clips, hopefully. I'm gonna get new seats, and I have a new window coming here soon, so this will be in another video getting that replaced. As precaution, I'm gonna throw this guy back on there, just so I don't have to worry about it. But yeah, now that that's taken care of, give you guys like a little sneak peek of underneath the hood. So I'm going to be using the Twin Z kit on the front bumper, side skirts, and rear splitter. But this is the current condition. It is currently taken apart quite a bit. This is how I bought it. Obviously the plenum is oxidized. The clutch fan looks pretty bad, but all in all, it's probably still a really good starting place for my buddy that wants to put this in his car. So he's going to strip it all apart, probably put all of his twin turbo parts on it, make it look brand new again. And then yeah, because he already has a twin turbo engine that's in pieces, that he just would like to get this one, if it's running, to put all back together. So it's a faster swap for him. I think the block and everything should be fine as long as there's no pistons hanging out, but as far as I could tell from underneath, I didn't see anything. I believe it's just a blown turbo. But yeah, fun fact, this is actually supposed to be black, but it is not black, it is dark blue. But I actually might change it to a red, like the Twin Z ones, or white looks good, or maybe I just might keep it blue because the blue looks good too. But yeah, got some progress going.